HAL's ambitions of entering the aircraft engine space are now one step closer to the reality, since HAL has confirmed to IDRW.org at AERO India 2017 that HTFE-25 has achieved full thrust in trials and will be ready for first flight by next year. HAL had unveiled the HTFE-25, Hindustan Turbofan Engine 25, engine at AERO India 2015 has managed to keep the program on schedule to meet its internal deadline of 2018. HTFE-25, designed and pitched to power trainer aircraft and business jets in the twin-engine configuration, will be operational by end of 2018, and HAL plans to use HAL-owned Hawkeye updated aircraft trainer, which has recently rolled out just before AERO India 2017, has a test bed for the new engine. HTFE-25 is a low-bypass twin-spool mixed-flow turbofan engine with wide-chord fan blades, sports a high-efficiency compressor and advanced combustor in 25 knots thrust class, which is 1,730 mm long, 590 mm in diameter and weighs 350 kg. HTFE-25 will see service in long-delayed HJT-36 Sitara subsonic intermediate jet trainer aircraft, which are currently powered by Russian-supplied Saturn AL-55I turbofan engines developing 17.27 knots thrust. HTFE-25 is being developed as a fully in-house effort funded by HAL, and now with success of HTFE-25, HAL is now proposing to develop new HTFE-35-40 engine using a modified core to develop 35 to 40 knots thrust, which can replace Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adour engines in Indian Air Force's Jaguar aircraft. IAF had selected Honeywell's F125IN turbofans engines, which develop 36.0 knots of thrust under Jaguar re-engine plan, but government is yet to place orders for supply of 270 engines, even though India's Jaguars have become overweight and underpowered because of avionics and systems upgrades.